Ever since I started giving this to my tomatoes, the harvest has improved significantly, and this year it is on track to be a record one. When the first fruits appear, many gardeners think that most of the work is done and that all that's left is to wait for harvest time. The biggest mistake happens right now, when the plant enters its period of highest energy consumption. At this stage, the tomato plant is feeding existing fruits, producing new flowers, and continuing to grow new foliage at the same time. If it lacks important nutrients during this period, it can quickly lead to slower growth and a reduced harvest. In addition to proper feeding, it is important to regularly remove the lower leaves that touch the soil, as this is often where disease problems begin. It is also important to water at the base of the plant rather than on the leaves, allowing the tomato to develop a stronger root system and better withstand hot summer temperatures. That is why many experienced gardeners do not wait until signs of plant stress appear. They provide extra support while their tomato plants are still healthy and vigorous. This proactive approach is often what makes the difference between an average harvest and a truly abundant one. There is one simple homemade mixture that takes only a few minutes to prepare, and many gardeners use it throughout the fruiting season. The most important thing is to follow the correct proportions and avoid overusing it. Here's how I prepare it. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to 1 liter of water and stir well. Yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that can help maintain a healthy microbial environment in the soil. It may also contribute to healthier root development and help plants make better use of the nutrients already present in the ground. Next, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash. Wood ash is a natural source of potassium, a nutrient that tomatoes especially need during fruit development and ripening. In addition to potassium, it contains other valuable minerals that can help the plant maintain strong growth and produce higher quality fruits. Use the resulting liquid to water your tomatoes around the root zone once every 10 days. There is no need to use large amounts, as regular and moderate application is far more effective than excessive feeding. Share this video with your friends and let me know in the comments if you have ever used yogurt and wood ash on your tomatoes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.